A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Small letters A to Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. What is O? What is R? What is L? What is C? What is E? What is G? Long sounds of A.
G.
Long sounds of A. These are the long sounds of A. So we start. B A K E bake, C A K E cake, L A K E lake, M A K E make, R A K E rake, T A K E take, C A P E cape, G A T E gate, L A T E late, N A M E name, S A M E same, T A M E tame, G A M E game, C A V E cave. Now we start short sounds of A. Short. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं सी ए टी कैट, एम ए टी मैट, आर ए टी रैट, एच ए टी हैट, बी ए टी बैट, एफ ए टी फैट, एस ए टी सैट, सी ए पी कैप, एम ए पी मैप, टी ए पी टैप, एन ए पी नैप, जी ए पी गैप, एल ए पी लैप, एस ए पी सैप. Now we test you. What is the sounds, long or short? Long, very good. These are sounds long or short? Long or short? These are short. So we start to listen you. NAME name, TAME खुद बताएं आप, टेम, GAME गेम,
लिसन ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਲਿਸਨ ਯੂ,
GAP गैप, SAP सैप.
ਸਪਨਾ ਪੜਨੀ.
Now start we E long and short sounds. E long sounds ये क्या हैं जी? Long. और ये वाली हैं short sounds. BEET beat, FEET feet, meat, seed, feed, need, weed, weed, deep, keep, beep, weep, jeep, beef, reef, Now we start the short sounds of E short. BED bed, RED red, FED fed, WED wed, LED led, PEN pen, TEN ten, HEN hen, MEN men, DEN den, NET net, PET pet, WET wet, JET jet. Very good.
get
Now we listen you.
complete
PEEP क्या बनेगा? पीप. BEEF क्या बनेगा? बीफ. शॉर्ट की तरफ सुनते हैं. MEN क्या बनेगा? मैन. WET क्या बनेगा? वेट. PEN क्या बनेगा? पेन. TEN क्या बनेगा? टेन. Now we start the long sound of I. Bite, kite, sight, might, rice, nice, dice, lime, time, dime, pipe, ripe, wipe, five. These are total long sounds. Now we start the short sounds of I. Pin, tin, bin, fin, win, sin, lip, zip, tip, dip, sip, hip, peep, bit. Now test you. What is this? Sight. What is this? Time. What is this? Bite. NICE nice. FIVE 5. RIPE ripe. Now short test. PIN pin. SIN sin. WIN win. BIN bin. Now we start the vowel sound of O. Long. These two lines are long. BONE bone, CONE cone, hone, zone, robe, lobe, hope, rope, cope, mope, note, vote, dote, coat. Now we start the short sound of O. Coat, dot, hot, not, pot, lot, got, top, mop, hop, pop, cop, fox, box. Now we long sound of U and short. These are two lines are long. Cube, tube, cute, mute, flute, June, tune, dune, rude, crude, rule, mule, yule, fuse. Now we start the short sound of U. Cup, pup, tub, rub, cub, mud, bud, bug, jug, rug, mug, hug, tug, dug. Now listen you. What is this? Mule. What is this? TUB? Tub. BUG. Bug. TUG. Tug.